So I got the poles all set up, and that might be it for the day. But I feel like I kind of got a second wind, so I might just have some kind of crazy organized chaos. Check it out. The van's parked. Big deals, you know? This is cool. I got these metal poles that I might put in and start stringing up the rest of the fence. I don't know. We'll see. Weather's changing, though. Might just be nice to go have a fire and just call it a day. Ooh. Check this out. Oat milk. New mocha pot. I needed one of these. I've been doing all sorts of crazy stuff to get the coffee going. This one was 16 bucks at the local hardware store that has everything. It's not the best quality, but hey, it's getting the job done. Super stoked because I got a spot to park the van now that I can build a roof. Tripping. Sometimes things in life I think take cyclical cycles to go around before you can realize like what you need to be doing. And I think that's definitely happened to me out here. So the weather's getting really nice and I'm planting stuff. And it's like if I can just park the van there, then I have a spot where the van can be and I can build that roof, start working on it, put solar panels up on the top of the roof, and then let the garden area kind of take care of itself around it, because further north gets a lot more sun. So I'm pretty stoked because I'm going to have to tear apart the greenhouse. It just didn't work, especially down here in the NAR. So I got a lot of things coming up, and it's exciting because it just is. Yeah. So we might have some real nice things happening today. If you look back that way, well, you can't see it through the trees, but there's a little bit of blue sky. So if it pops, and I hear the planes flying over, so maybe they'll create a hole that makes it so the sun can come down and shine on the garden, because I think I'm going to plant some seeds today. Yeah! At 11:01, we have sunshine. Well, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows of stuff transplanted. We have radishes, Swiss chard, beets, spinach, all is well. it's day 3 of just grinding out chores. But I'm gonna keep going. It's good. I gotta keep going, but I'm tired. Oh my goodness. So today I'm gonna go a little bit slower, I believe, you know? Yeah. Alright, so the truth is, that's the truth. Okay, so the truth is, I did some raking, and the sky's so blue today. All I can think about is surfing, so I'm gonna go surfing. I think that's exactly it. Okay, so I took a Reverend Baron interlude. That song's wicked. Look, plastic fence. It's coming in hot. So I got the chain link at the bottom so the wind can go through the bottom. Then I got the plastic up here so it's like a greenhouse. And I'm eventually going to do one more row up above so the deer can't get in. And I'm going to pretty much do that around the whole part that gets sun. And then on the back I'm going to put that galvanized roofing stuff so that it reflects off of it. Because it doesn't get much light over there, you know? Yeah, I think I'm going to plant a lot of like stuff like kale and all that in the back corner. Yeah, but it's coming along. I thought I wasn't going to do anything, and I got the stoke, so I'm going to keep cranking for just a little bit, and then I got to go because the tide. Need the fence. Well, still got to do You see my old lady, tell us how she doing. How does she been running around long now? With Carlos and all them crazy folk that hang out on the south side of town. Yeah, all time in the valley. I never cruised up here by myself, so this is pretty sick. I might keep going, or I might just we'll see. See you in the future. Yeah, Dave. Woo. Alright, so if you dug the video, you gotta hit that subscribe button thingy, and then the bell that's by it, so it lets you know that there's new videos that are coming, you know? There's still gonna be all sorts of stuff, and I just want to say thank you for the support, and yeah, excited for springtime.